Hello, and welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So how do you make man in Infinity Craft? But fire, wind, water here, fire, to create steam, earth, and we have another the wind here. Let's drag on the top of here and put earth on top of it to create dust. Put another earth on top of dust to create a planet. Now I want you to put the smoke here underneath here. Put water to create the fog on top of the planet to create Venus, and then put Venus on top of the mud here to create Adam. Now put Venus and Adam to create Eve. Now put Adam here to Eve here, and finally you have human. So that's just it. I hope you guys find this video of any help. Thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.